right, Buzz, that's enough of that.
What did I just say? That is a good way to lose an eye, my friend.
Hold it. We've got company at 2 o'clock.
I got him, mailman. Hang on. Here we go.
Buzz, what is going on up there?
Just moving a road hog.
Knock it off! What kind of stunt was that?
Just seeing what this baby can do.
This bag of bones isn't rated past Mach 2!
Mach 1.
The G-forces, Buzz! The G-forces!
Mach 2. Gotta push the envelope. Mach 3!
Buzz! We're tearing apart!
I'm losing control. Eject, mailman. Hit the silk. I can't get out.
What are you doing?
Buzz, get back here.
Okay, I've been in tougher scrapes than this. Trees. There's the ground. There's the ground. It looks hard. Okay, trees. Trees, I gotta get... Oh, mahogany. Ow, ow, squirrel's nest. Fur, ow, ow, pine, ow, on the ground. Oh, yeah. Oh, I made it. There is a God. Hallelujah. Ow, ow, oh, ow, 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 ow. Oh, you're French, aren't you? Oh, yeah, that's just like that.